Hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed and another Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to be focusing on the salsa dance, and we're going to focus on how to count the salsa music on the one. So there's different ways to count it, but today I'm going to go over how to count it on the one with and without music. Okay, so we're going to use actually the forward and back basic. I'm going to do it from the follower's perspective, but it's actually the same for the leaders too. We're just going to start on the back instead of the forward, okay? So I'll show you the basic really quick first. So we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So if you don't know that step, you can go ahead and check it out. We have a full tutorial up for you. That being said, let's go over the timing. First, we're gonna actually do the rhythm because it's a little bit easier. So we have a little bit of a rhythm change in the salsa, which means it's not just even the whole time. We have a little pause here and there. So that would be a quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. That being said, we're gonna do that together. Ready, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. One more time. Slow, quick, quick, slow. So you can see that I have a little pause when I actually close my feet in the center. And no matter what step I'm doing, even if it's side to side, we have that slow in the middle and then a quick, quick out on the other two steps. So that is our rhythm. Now let's try doing it with the beats or the numbers. So we've talked about this a few times on our channel already, but if this is your first time here, then let's go over it again. So our quick, quick is 1 beat each, and our slow is 2 beats. That means every slow we have 2 beats, and then every quick is just 1 beat like that, okay? So for example, I'm gonna do slow. We go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So on the 4 and the 8, we are not stepping, we're just simply holding or changing our weight from foot to foot in the center. I'll do it from the side. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So you can switch your weight in the middle like this, maybe move your hips to fill the music, but in the most simplest form, we're just stepping on the first 2 steps, stepping on the third, holding the fourth, then we go step, 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 and hold, okay? So let's do that. I'm gonna flip around and I'm gonna count it in the numbers. I'm gonna include the 4 and the 8 first, and then I'll just count 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 on the numbers that we're actually stepping, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So we count it in 8s, but you could also just count it in 3s or the 4. So you could just go 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or if quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow registers better for you, then of course do that as well. So now that we've learned the basic rhythm, let's put on some slower salsa music and we're gonna go over that. I'm gonna count with you. I'll start with my quick, quick, slow, and then we'll go into our 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm just gonna ignore the 4s and the 8s. So just try to dance along with me and we'll do this together. 5, 6, ready, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Alrighty, hopefully that was helpful for you and it helped you with all of our videos. We have a bunch of salsa with a partner videos. We also have a lot of fitness Fridays where we do some Latin cardio, and we're also going to be updating our solo section soon. So hopefully this helps you understand how to count the salsa on the 1. Eventually we'll do salsa on the 2, but Chris also did a video that kind of said the difference between mambo and salsa, and we briefly explained what the salsa timing on 2 is. So I'll link that below if you want to check that out. But thanks again so much for watching. Be sure to go to our website, ballroomfeed.com, and check out all of our salsa content and also our other dances up there. Like and subscribe, comment down below what you want to see next, and we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.